to fix Xbox app error code 0x89235106 on your Windows PC. And if you've been stuck with this annoying error, you know how frustrating it can be. Are you facing problems signing in, launching games, or connecting to Xbox Live? This error usually happens because of network issues, corrupted app files, or outdated Windows settings. Many tutorials on YouTube and social media make it look complicated, asking you to tweak dozens of settings or reinstall everything, which can be confusing and time-consuming. But here on Rexish, I have a simple trick that solves it in just a few clicks without breaking anything. All you need is a quick reset of the Xbox app and a simple network refresh, and you're back online instantly. If you want, comment below, and I'll make a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly how to fix it from start to finish.